Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are a new viewer or subscriber. I wanted to do pretty much an everyday makeup tutorial because I feel like I have not done a makeup tutorial in so freaking long. Most of these products, not all, that I used in the video are drugstore products. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Hope y'all enjoy this lovely makeup tutorial that I have for you guys and you try it out yourselves. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to give the thumbs up, share it on your social medias, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's get straight into this makeup tutorial. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is minimize our pores. The Maybelline Baby Skin.
Do you right, just to do you right, just to do you right. Cop the coupe, drop the roof, just.
If you guys have been watching my videos from the beginning, y'all know for the most part, I always fill my eyebrows in with mascara. So yeah, I'm just first gonna do upward stroke.
Late night, early morning, just creeping through that back door, busting all my glass and leaving my whip on flat. So you want me to flash out, you want me to pull a duck move, bosses stay silent.
I am still using the GRAFTOBIAN palette as my concealer. That is just my all-time favorite. I'm gonna be using the color Caramel. That's the shade I always use, y'all.
Wasting my grind, yeah, wasting my time, wasting my time. Wasted my time. I wasted my time. Wasted my time. Just to do you right, just to do you right, just to do you right. Wasted my time. I wasted my grind.
Now we're going to blend
my grind just to do you right, just to do you right, just to do you right. Hourglass running out, patience at a minimum. I took my time, hard grind just to get at you. I kiss your lips, I love the fragrance, that's that passion fruit. I gave you hugs, smackies, called you my boo. I stopped at Louis, copped the bag.
Now we're going to blend away.
Myself and made you work at passion. You always mad, never happy, that's a sign of lacking. You always mad, never happy, that's a sign of lacking. Wasting my grind. Wasting my time, wasting my time, yeah. Wasting my grind, wasting my grind.
For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy Smooth, and that's in 355. I'm going to apply that with my beauty blender, and if you need more, you can always go in with more.
You right, just to do you right, just to do you right. Wasted my time. I wasted my grind.
I'm going to be baking my face for the next step, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York translucent powder. So we're going to take our beauty blender, we're going to bake. We're going to do our forehead a little bit. And right underneath our cheeks.
Get excited when I see you.
Okay guys, I'm actually going to take my pink kabuki brush and I'm going to blend away all of my baking powder.
I get excited when I see you.
I'm actually going to take a little bit of this mascara. This is the LA Girls Volume Mascara. I'm just going to apply it to my bottom lashes because we're going to apply lashes. Because we're going to apply lashes in a little while.
Bounce back, load the scraps for me, birds go for 10 the key. All that fussing in the cussing, they excited when I see you. Panoramic coupe and it's see-through. All them other girls wanna be you.
Actually going to be using this Makeup Revolution liquid highlight first, and then I'm going to apply my real highlight. This liquid highlight goes a long way. Less is more with this type of product. It goes a long way because I remember when I first bought it, I hated it, and I didn't realize it's because I was using way too much. It's not like a regular highlight.
She gon' squeeze too. Ain't on her blood, she be coming straight through. Tell me all the time, other niggas say they ain't you. Get in the jam, she gon' do what she supposed to. We highway ride and let back the sunroof. When I'm deep in her stomach, she say I don't wanna lose you. She get the blues when I hit the road.
I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to be using the SAHARA palette for my highlight. I literally have so many highlights like by Anastasia Beverly Hills and NARS, but my go-to is the SAHARA palette. by Juvia's Place. And girl, this highlight, I'm literally pretty much almost out of it. And the name of the color is Senegal.
I get excited when you know I'm a ride for you, the mother steady trying, but they don't do it.
I'm gonna do my lipstick next, you guys. I'm gonna leave my eyelashes for last. Take my detailed Tom Ford brush, and I'm actually gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette in the color Cypress Umber. And I'm just gonna use this as a brow liner just to line my lips.
They just stop and stay up in the place. I love the view from the back while I'm gripping on your waist. I hit the spot every time I can see it in your face. Do whatever it takes just to see you smile. Even if
And for my lip color, I'm actually going to take this matte color by Arcade Kisses. And this is in the color Naughty Nude.
I get excited when I see you. Panoramic coupe in the see-through. All the other girls wanna be you.
Lastly, I'm going to do my lashes. These are the Kiss lashes. My eyes always get super watery when I put on lashes. Am I the only person? I'm gonna take that mascara again. And lastly, we're gonna spray our face. And that's it for this look, viewers.
Wasted my time just to do you right, just to do you right, just to do you right. Wasted my time, I wasted my grind, wasted my